we'll say 1 minus cos 2 theta. Then for cos theta, it will be equals to, try to move this guy here. So cos theta would be the square root of 1 over 2. Then he will say 1 plus cos cos 2 theta, like that. Okay, so this is why I wanted to work out that triangle, because cos 2 theta, cos is equals to adjacent over hypotenuse, meaning is 21 over 75, like that. So just come back here and just start doing the substitution. So we'll say the square root of, we say this is 1 over 2, then we say 1 minus cos 2 theta, we have determined that is 21 over 75. Then cos theta will be equals to 1 over 2 here, then you have 1 plus 21 over 75, like this. Okay, are we okay up to this point? So these are just coming from half angle identities. You can just check the table of trig functions. So for this one here, you can actually work it out. That's going to be like under the root, you have 1 over 2. It will be multiplied by 71 minus 21 divided by 75. So if I say 75 minus 21, I'm getting 54. Divide by 2, I'm getting 27. So it simply means sine, I can write it here, sine theta is equals to the square root of 27 divided by the square root of what? 75, like that. Okay, then what about the other one? So this other one is just 75 plus 21. Then if you say divide by 2, that's going to be 48. So cos theta is equals to the square root of 48 divided by the square root of 75, like that. Okay, I'm hoping I haven't left anyone behind. So here now it will just be the matter of substituting. So it will mean that our x is equals to, where we have cos, we'll put the square root of 48 divided by the square root of 75. That would be x prime by x prime, like this, minus your sine is the square root of 27 divided by the square root of 75. I don't want to use decimal places here, so just use it the way it is. So here you have y prime. Then for y is equals to x prime sine theta. So your sine is square root of 27 divided by the square root of 75. Then you put x prime. You put x prime plus cos theta. Cos theta is the square root of 48 divided by the square root of 75. That will be y prime, like that. Okay, so this is what I have right now, and that's what I'm going to use. So I'll just highlight and just take it up there, like that. So now I can begin substituting now. Where there's x, will substitute with this expression. Where there's y, will substitute with that expression. Okay, so we no longer need those two guys. So I'll begin with 73, then open bracket. Where there's then we'll put x, then just square it. So we have this guy here. Okay, I'll just place it there, like that. Then this is what that is squared is equals to. So I have 73 here, open bracket. So if you square this one, observe to say 48 squared is just 48, divided by 75 squared is, so the square root of 48 is the square root of 48 is 48, the square root of 75 is 75.